The Carboniferous period, spanning from 359 to 299 million years ago, was a time of extraordinary growth and evolution. This period is best known for the vast swampy forests that dominated the landscape, filled with towering ferns, club mosses, and horsetails. These forests thrived in the warm, humid climate, creating dense, swampy ecosystems. Over time, the decaying plant material formed thick layers of peat, which would eventually compress and harden into coal, fueling much of modern industry today. The Carboniferous is also significant for the evolution of life, both in the water and on land. While amphibians continued to dominate, reptiles made their first appearance, leading to new evolutionary paths. During the Carboniferous period, Earth was covered in immense swampy forests, teeming with plant life. The warm, humid climate allowed plants to grow to incredible sizes. Towering lycophytes, ferns, and horsetails formed dense canopies, while their fallen remains built up into vast peat swamps. These swampy forests were so productive that their decaying plant matter eventually turned into coal, giving this period its name. These coal forests created habitats for a wide variety of life forms, providing shelter and resources for everything from amphibians to invertebrates. The constant recycling of plant material in these swamps contributed to the formation of Earth's massive coal deposits, which we still mine today. The Carboniferous wasn't just a time of lush forests. It was also an age of giants in the invertebrate world. Thanks to the high oxygen levels in Earth's atmosphere, arthropods like Meganeura, a dragonfly with a wingspan over 2 feet, and Arthropleura, a millipede-like creature that could grow up to 8 feet long, dominated the coal forests. These massive invertebrates thrived in the dense vegetation, where they hunted smaller creatures and fed on decaying plant matter. These giant arthropods played crucial roles in the ecosystem, breaking down plant material and contributing to the nutrient cycle. Their massive size was made possible by the rich oxygen levels of the time. Amphibians were among the dominant land animals during the Carboniferous period. These creatures thrived in the swampy, water-filled forests, where they could easily move between land and water. With their moist skin and reliance on water for reproduction, amphibians were perfectly suited for life in these environments. Species ranged from small salamander-like creatures to larger predatory amphibians. Their ability to lay eggs in water while living on land allowed amphibians to thrive in both habitats, becoming one of the most successful groups of vertebrates at the time. However, the amphibian lifestyle also tied them to wet environments, which limited their ability to expand into drier areas. One of the most important evolutionary advancements of the Carboniferous period was the rise of reptiles and the development of the amniotic egg. Unlike amphibians, reptiles were able to lay eggs on land thanks to the protective amniotic sac, which prevented the egg from drying out. This allowed reptiles to colonize drier environments, giving them a significant advantage over their amphibian relatives. Early reptiles were small, but their ability to reproduce on land allowed them to expand into a variety of new habitats, paving the way for future vertebrate dominance on land. The evolution of the amniotic egg was a game-changer in the history of life, setting the stage for the rise of larger, more complex land animals. The Carboniferous period is known for having one of the highest levels of atmospheric oxygen in Earth's history. The vast, swampy forests produced enormous amounts of oxygen, which fueled the growth of both plants and animals. The high oxygen levels allowed invertebrates, like Meganeura and Arthropleura, to grow to gigantic sizes, creating a world where insects and arthropods ruled the forest floors and skies. The abundant oxygen also contributed to the intense fires that periodically swept through the coal forests, burning the dense plant material and creating vast deposits of charcoal. These high oxygen levels created a unique environment, but they also came with challenges, including the impact of wildfires on the ecosystems. The legacy of the Carboniferous period can still be seen today, particularly in the coal deposits formed by the ancient swamps. These coal beds have powered human industry for centuries, but they are also a testament to the immense plant life that thrived during the Carboniferous. Beyond coal, this period saw the evolution of reptiles and the development of the amniotic egg, which allowed vertebrates to dominate new environments. The rise of reptiles and the vast coal forests set the stage for future evolutionary advancements, shaping the course of life on Earth. As life on land continued to evolve, the Carboniferous left a lasting imprint on Earth's biological and geological history. Don't forget to subscribe to follow how the Carboniferous period helped pave the way for the next era in Earth's history.